Hi Georgie, how are you? I'm very well, thank you now. How are you? How was your journey to work? My journey into work was very good today actually. And we are actually talking about transport today. How was your journey to work? My journey was quite easy this morning. Actually, it isn't always. And now, we actually have a very similar commute, don't we? Get a tube to work with the UK is the underground train. So I go to the station around 50 to 20 minutes and then I get this underground train, one train. And then I train and then get another one and then I walk to work. What about you? I do that but before your bid. I had to get the bus as well. Are you that far away from the station? A couple of miles. Okay, 3 kilometers. A bit too far to work then, a bit too far to work. I have worked when the public transport has been unreliable. But normally, I get the bus to the tube stop and then get on the tube into work. Lovely, and do you like the tube? What do you think about it? I think the tube is very convenient actually. Because the trains go very frequently. So you miss one, you can wait just a couple of minutes and get the next one. And it's probably the quickest way to get into central London. Because there's so much traffic. Driving is really bad idea. Yeah, I agree with you. It's very reliable. It usually very easy. The thing I don't like about it, especially in the morning at rush hour, is the number of people on the tube. The underground trains in London are very old. They are very small, and they are very crowded in the mornings. So crowded means there are lots of people. We can also say packed. Yeah, I really don't like being in a tight space with lots of people in the mornings so early in the morning. Yeah, I agree, but I'm lucky because I get on the tube at the first stop. So I always get a seat. But by the time you get on, it is usually really packed. And the closer you get into central London, the more packed it is. You are squared up against strangers. It's not always fun. I hate it. What about buses? Do you like buses? Buses are okay. Say in London again. They are quite frequent. They are just convenient. Not always, I mean they are frequent. But they are more unreliable than trains, aren't they? They always seem to be roadworks near where I live. And when the roadworks there are traffic lights and then there are delays on the buses. So in the city, public transport can be great. But what about when we go outside of the city? When did you used to go to other parts of the UK? If it's quite far. So if I'm going really far north, maybe to Scotland or to, I don't know, Manchester or Northern City. It's probably better to get the train because it's faster. And I really like trains. You can relax. It's relaxing experience. So of my best travel experience have been on long distance trains. Yeah. Can't you? Where have you been? That's been so fantastic on the train. Well, I once went from Prague to Moscow on the train. Wow. What was that like? Really exciting. Why? I took about 3 days and I was with some friends. And we could eat and drink and look out the window. The landscape changed frequently. It was just exciting.